Okay, here's the 74240D. This is how the idle control screw works, and the linkage across the top of the engine. I tightened up the ball joints here. There's basically no movement in those now, and no movement here either, so they're nice and tight. So, 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the screw for the idle control on the inside, on the cabin, so then you can see how much that moves. Okay, hopefully that captured something. Okay, I'm going to cold start the car now, so it hasn't been started since yesterday. So here we go. Obviously the camera just falls off the armrest. Okay, so right now I've got my foot on the gas. If I let my foot off the gas, it tries to stall, but if I... So this is my foot completely off the gas. I just turned the screw all the way clockwise. So this is all the way clockwise. Now I'm going to turn it all the way counterclockwise, which doesn't seem to make any difference at all, like nothing. So, I'm not sure what that means. Hang on a second. Okay, now I'm going to stop the car using the standard method. So as you can see, when it's cold, it stops. Okay, going to go for a quick drive and warm the car up. So, here we go. Okay, so we've driven for a couple of minutes, so I'll pull over now and then see if we can still turn the engine off. Okay, so still in drive, now in park. Idle's gone up quite a lot already. So this is with the on-dash adjuster all the way clockwise. Now go counterclockwise. It seems to go down a little bit. So now I'll try and turn the engine off. Idle is low, and it does stop. Okay, so now I'm going to go drive a bit more to get it fully warmed up. So we've been driving for 6 or 7 minutes. So we're up to basically operating temperature now. It always sits around the 175 mark on the dial. It's a cooler day today and it's raining, so it's on the cooler side of things. It's usually pretty stable. Alright, so we're going to go find a place to park and then we'll see if the engine stops. Welcome to West Vancouver's Park Royal shopping mall parking lot. Or as I would say in British English, car park. So, let's pull over here. Okay. Alright, this is the idle in drive, nice and low. Now we're going to go into park, park. Right, and now press the stop button, idle goes lower, turn the ignition off. We're still running, which is very irritating. So this is how I stop the car. I go back into drive, so now where the idle is kind of where it should be, and I simultaneously put it into park and press the start lever at the same time, like so, and then we stop. So, one more second. Here's the car in all its glory, by the way. It's not going to turn it off. So a minute ago I just kind of showed what the lever looks like when you push the starter in and out, but it was probably vibrating too much because of the engine running, so I'm just going to do it now with the engine off. So I did that a couple of times, hopefully you can see it. What else to show you? There's that line. This guy here that we were talking about. Not sure how to get it off without destroying it. There's throttle body, all this stuff, how this looks. Replaced that spring a while ago because it was dead. Like these, tiny bit of play but barely any. A little bit of play there. I'm not sure if that makes any difference, but what about this one? I mean, that moves a bit, but I don't think it affects anything. Yeah, stuff. There we go. Here's Pacific Northwest. Very grey day. Best Buy, brilliant. So that's that.